Joining a Zoom call or meeting on your phone is a little bit different than on your computer, but just as easy. This Zoom tutorial is great for beginners. I'm Marcia Chadley from the Creative Life Center with easy Zoom tips for you. In this video, you'll learn how to join a Zoom call or meeting using your smartphone, how to mute and unmute yourself, how to turn your video on and off. In short, you're going to learn how to be comfortable using your phone to join a Zoom call. So let's get started with some fun. To join a Zoom call from your phone, you'll need to have the Zoom app installed. This is a free app. You can look in wherever your app store is for Zoom. Here's the app on my Apple phone, Zoom Cloud Meetings. And the icon will look something like this with a little video camera icon and the blue sky. So I have the app installed on my phone. You can tell that because I have this little open symbol. Now that I know the app is on my phone, the next thing I want to do is go to the invitation that was sent to me by the host for the meeting. This is the Zoom meeting information that was sent to me by the host of the meeting. And included in the information that you're sent will be a URL, a web address that we can use to access this meeting. So this is the email on my phone. The simple way to get in is just to touch that URL. It's going to open that app we have loaded and take me right into the meeting. I need to say that I do want to call using the internet audio because that means I'll be able to use the Wi-Fi on my phone to hear. Now the picture you're seeing is the host of our meeting waiting there for us. And what you see up on the right is what I am showing with my camera because I don't have my video turned on yet. If I touch the bottom of my phone, I'll see some extra controls. And that's what I need to do to turn my video on. Touch that camera, and then you'll be able to see me. So that's how you turn your camera on and off when you're on your phone. Touch the bottom of the screen, and you can turn that camera off. Touch it again, you'll be on. So you can control when your camera's on or not. You use that unmute at the bottom left to turn your sound on so the people on the meeting can hear you, or turn it off so that they can't. The participants window, when you open that up, you can also control your microphone and your camera there. You can raise your hand. If you want to ask a question, do some other things with the controls down there. The More menu over here gives you access to the chat window. Close that up. And when you're ready to leave, up in the upper right, it says leave. So if your controls go away, either touch the top or the bottom of the screen and they'll come back. Now, yeah, if you have more people on your call than you can see at once, you swipe your screen and it'll let you swipe it so you can see other people, but we don't have that many people on our call. The other thing you can do with your phone is swipe to the right and you'll be in safe driving mode. Your video is stopped, your phone is muted. If you need to speak, you tap this. So that's a quick way to turn off your video and your audio. Right now I'm ready to leave the meeting, so I touch that, say leave meeting, and I am out. That's all you need to do to join a Zoom call from your phone. So now it's your turn. Get out there and have fun.